Cutting across to the farmers' protests, months after the parliament passed 3 new farm laws, a section of farmers continue to be on war path. Thousands of farmers threw bricks and stones at cops and physically pushed vehicles as they were stopped by the Haryana police on their way into Delhi. Their Delhi Chalo agitation, that this is part of a 2-day-long agitation that they've already planned, where they've called for a bandh for the 2 days, today and tomorrow. After a 2-hour clash on a bridge in which tear gas and water cannons were used, the farmers managed to enter the Haryana border there, despite all the borders being shut. Similar scenes unfolded when they reached Sadhopur border. Haryana has sealed borders with Punjab today and tomorrow, continuing its crackdown. Haryana government detained activist Yogendra Yadav along with farmers at Gurgaon as they attempted to cross into Delhi. Punjab Chief Minister strongly condemned Qatar's government's move and warned the BJP-led government there against pushing these farmers to the brink. Delhi government too refused to allow any rally in the city, but raising his voice in favor of farmers, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said peaceful demonstrations should be allowed. Chief Minister Kejriwal has said this farmers' legislation is anti-farmers. That's what he says. 30 Punjab farmers' unions have called for a bandh today and tomorrow as part of the agitation against the centre's contentious farm laws.
पंजाब से आए किसानों का काफिला बैरिकेडिंग को तोड़ते हुए हरियाणा के अंदर दाखिल हो चुका है, लेकिन अब अंबाला में सरकार ने योजना बनाई है कि किसानों को यहां पर रोका जाएगा और यहां पर बैरिकेडिंग नहीं की गई है। सिंपली पुलिस ने ट्रैफिक जो चल रहा था, चंडीगढ़ से दिल्ली की तरफ जा रहा था, उस ट्रैफिक को यहां पर रोक दिया है और आप देख सकते हैं यहां पर वाहनों की लंबी कतार यहां पर लग गई है ताकि ये वाहन यहां पर रुक जाएंगे तो आगे किसान ना बढ़ सके। तो पुलिस ने इन किसानों को रोकने के लिए आप ये देखिए किलोमीटर लंबा जाम यहां पर लगवा दिया है ताकि किसान यहां पर रुक जाएं और हो सकता है ये प्लान भी हो कि आगे किसानों को रोकना है, तब तक फोर्स वहां पर इकट्ठी हो जाए, लेकिन अंबाला में ट्रैफिक को रोककर किसानों को रोकने की कोशिश जरूर की जा रही है।
जहां तक एग्रीकल्चर में नए कानून का सवाल है, ये नए कानून भी आने वाले कल में किसान के जीवन में क्रांतिकारी बदलाव लाने वाले हैं। मैं आपके माध्यम से सभी किसान भाई और बहनों को अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि चर्चा के माध्यम से ही रास्ते निकलते हैं। भारत सरकार चर्चा के लिए खुले मन से तैयार है। आंदोलन का रास्ता छोड़कर चर्चा के लिए सभी किसान यूनियन के लोग आएं। हम लोग जरूर उनसे बात करेंगे और उनका स्वागत करेंगे।
Now, the massive protests by farmers led to massive traffic jams at the Delhi-Faridabad border as well. Let's take a look at this ground report from the area.
Right now, we are at the border area at Faridabad, and you can see the heavy deployment of the police and how the traffic is being affected due to heavy deployment of police and barricades right here at the border area. There are arrangements like even metro services has been disrupted and they are not being allowed towards Delhi from the Faridabad side. Even paramilitary forces have been deployed here and they are keeping eye on the developments at the border area if there are some farmer groups which will try to enter into the Delhi border. All these things are happening and even people have to face problems. They are coming through their feet and they have to leave their buses, and even since metro services are not being allowed, so they have no other option but to come to their feet. Even small kids are walking down towards Delhi. So this is the scenario right here.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.